Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Selling photos online has become way easier, and there's legitimate money to be made if you know where to look and how to set yourself up for success. Step 1. Choose your platform. You've got options like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, and Elami. Each one has different payout rates and audience sizes, so pick based on what kind of photos you take. Step 2. Prepare your portfolio. You need at least 50 to 100 quality images before you start uploading. Make sure they're well lit, sharp, and solve real problems for buyers. Step 3. Learn about licensing. Understand exclusive versus non-exclusive licenses because exclusive deals pay way more, but you can't sell that same photo anywhere else. Step 4. Optimize your metadata. Add detailed titles, descriptions, and keywords to your photos so people actually find them when they search. This is huge for making sales. Step 5. Stay consistent and diversify. Keep uploading fresh content regularly, sell on multiple platforms at once, and watch your passive income grow over time. This takes patience, but it works.